Hello friends and family, may God bless you. This is Diane's YouTube channel of sharing heartwarming or inspiring stories, trending news, how to achieve milestone together with your friends, and many more. So I'm gonna focus on training couple now in Rwanda of Miss Rwanda 2020 Nishimwe Naomi and Michael Tesfaye. This is inspiring story of how this couple met. If you are new here, please let us build a big family by subscribing, sharing, liking, and commenting on my channel. When people define love, they say love is what you make of it and how it makes you to feel. Romantic love often involves attraction, intimacy, and deep emotional connection. Miss Rwanda 2020 Nishimwe Naomi is a female of 25 years old. She's from a family of 5 children and she's third one. She's one from Mackenzie girls, those girls who have their own business of selling clothes. Their business name is Zoe. Michael Tesfaye came in Rwanda in 2021. He met Naomi and they started their love. Their love story started to be popular in Rwanda and in out of the country. Last year, Michael Tesfaye put a ring on Naomi's finger as engagement ring and as a symbol of love. And also last year, Naomi with her friends and siblings were in Dubai to attend Naomi's ceremony of bridal shower, as you can see. December 29 last year, Naomi and Michael get married. A marriage which was amazing. It combined family of Michael and Naomi with their friends, where Michael's parents came from Eritrea to the wedding of their son. It was a happy moment among them. Their marriage venue was at Inare Conference Arena, which is located at Rusororo in Kigali City. Thank you very much for being with me from the beginning up to the end. Please remember to subscribe. Have peace and soul.